guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. It is your girl Daijir here, bringing you the makeup for your Halloween costumes. So as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing Spooktorial season 3 episode 4. In today's video we are going to be doing a Glam Pikachu inspired makeup. I'm really excited. I'm gonna be 100% transparent with you guys. I don't watch like Pokemon or like Pikachu or like anything that has to do with Pikachu, honestly, but I know that there's a lot of people who do, and I really think this makeup look is so cute. And also I think Pikachu is just like so cute, so today I wanted to do like a Glam Pikachu inspired makeup. I also get a lot of my makeup ideas from Pinterest, so like I will like hoard a whole bunch of like makeup ideas or like pictures, face charts and stuff for my Spooktorial series like a few months in advance and stuff like that. And this was one that I just felt was super cute and everything, and also I just love the color yellow, so I was like, let's do a yellow full like little glam moment. And I guess Pikachu is just what we landed on today. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve my Glam Pikachu makeup look, then just keep on watching. I don't know where my other bat hair clip is. Anyway, so I just did my eyebrows off camera. I just tried to do like a little straight brow moment. I really like the way it looks. Honestly, I think I need to start doing my brows straight, because like my regular brows kind of curved down a little bit. These could be obviously straighter, but I think it looks really cute. I think I need to start like I said, doing this for my everyday brow. So first we're just gonna start off with like eyes. So first I'm gonna take some of this Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. I'm gonna take some of this and put it on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna take the my little CC Beauty palette. I'm gonna take some of that yellow and mix it in with that concealer. I kind of already carved out my brows a little bit with just like regular concealer, but we're just gonna go under my brows with this. I'm also gonna put it on my lid as like an eyeshadow base. I'm gonna take this little beauty sponge. It's like, listen, we can all say thanks to Chaos for literally ruining this sponge, but it's still usable. So we're just gonna take that and tap that out. And now I'm just gonna set that. I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place brush and just set that with some airspun powder. So I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and I'm gonna take the first yellow in like the yellow row, and I'm gonna take that on a M506 brush, and I'm just gonna put that into my crease. And now on that same M506 brush, I'm going to take the second yellow in the palette and just put that on my outer corner, but also blend it into my crease. I'm going to take that like brownish shade, which is like the last shade in the yellow row, and just do the same thing with it, outer corner, also into the crease. I'm trying to like speed up the eyeshadow process because I feel like sometimes I take a long time on my eyeshadow, and that's not really like the purpose sometimes. Like, it's a big part of it, but you know, I don't know. I feel like I take a long time sometimes. And I'm going to take the Beauty Bay EYN 42 Bright palette, and I'm going to take Heat Wave, which is like a bright orange shade, and just put that on my outer corner and also blend that into the outer half of my crease. And I'm gonna take Preppy Pecan from that Beauty Bay palette and also put that into my outer corner and just blend it out. And that's just like a brown shade. I feel like I just realized that I should start saying, like, instead of just the shade names, sometimes I feel like I do sometimes, I should start explaining what color it is, so in case you don't have like the palette, you can still take certain shades. Like if I'm like, oh, it's like a chocolate brownie, like a chocolate brown shade, I feel like you can still find a chocolate brown even if it's not from the Beauty Bay palette. Okay, I'm also taking a little bit of Cherry Aid and just putting that on my outer corner because like his cheeks, you know, are like rosy and red. I just want to add some of that into my lid. And then I'm going to take Hello Sunshine and just add some more yellow back in, which is like a bright yellow shade, and just blend everything out. And then I'm not going to cut my crease, although I'm like really want to. I feel like I cut my crease in like the last few videos. So I'm just going to take this ABH brush that comes with like the palette, and I'm going to take this side and I'm going to take Rise and Shine that on my lid. I'm going to take that blending brush side and just blend that out. I'm also going to take Bumblebee and put that on the outer half of my eye, which is like a little bit darker yellow shimmer shade. Ooh, you know what I just thought about? Give me a second. Trophy Wife, you know. I'm gonna take that. And I'm gonna take the brown from the CC Beauty palette and I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner. Okay, now it's time for my face. I already put on a little bit of primer. Now I'm going to take the yellow from the CC Beauty palette. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of powder. I really don't know how this is going to work. But when I did my Sully makeup, I feel like the blue was like a little patchy. So I'm just trying to do something to make it like a little bit thicker, more foundation, you know what I mean? Like textured. This beauty sponge and just tap that out. Okay, so I just put on like a different shirt because I feel like the other one was way too bright, and this one also comes up a little bit higher, so we don't have to put as much. For under my eye, I'm just going to take that same brush that we were using to put the yellow on our face, and I'm going to put some white on the back of my hand and just take that brush so it turns into like a bright, it looks like a bright yellow, and just put that under my eye. And then I'm also going to put that on my nose. I might keep my spot a little tiny bit on my forehead and on my chin. I'm going to set with airspun powder everywhere where I put that like light yellow shade. Brown right next to it and use that as kind of like a contour shade.
Perfect.
I hope it looks as yellow as it does in person. I feel like on camera it's just giving my foundation is yellow. But maybe I have to fix the lighting or something. And now on this Real Techniques cheek brush, I'm going to take the yellow from the Alexa Stone palette and just set my entire face with it. Okay guys, so I was off camera for like a really long time. Honestly, I need to get better face paint or something, because this, I don't know, like when I do big areas, I feel like it like separates and stuff like that. I was literally this close from using acrylic paint. Like, I was about to pull out my acrylic paint and just start like, but I'm gonna fix my eyebrows a little bit because with all the mess, I feel like they got messed up a little bit. So now we're just gonna start getting into the fine details, literally finally. So first things first is I'm gonna take this small liner brush and I'm gonna take the black from the CC Beauty palette and I'm gonna do a little like upside down triangle on the tip of my nose. And I'm gonna take the black from the Beauty Bay palette and just the black eyeshadow and put that on top just to set it in place. First I'm gonna take this Morphe brush and I'm gonna take Heat Wave from the Beauty Bay palette and just put it on my cheeks in circular motions. I'm also going to take it up a little bit, just like blush. So instead of just a circle, it's going to be like up a little bit. I'm also going to put some of that like under my nose and around kind of where I put that triangle. I'm also going to put some under my lip. I'm just taking some white lies and putting that like under my eyes just to brighten it up a little bit. So now I'm going to go off camera and put on a lash. I'm also going to do my top lip. I'm going to make it black. I don't want to do that for like keep that on for too long because I feel like it might transfer and all that good stuff. I feel like this looks pretty cute. Down my neck kind of the yellow kind of like disappeared a little bit just because, like I said, I was just having a really hard time. So yeah, I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash and finish up the lip, and then I'll be back with you guys with the finished result. I kind of just want this look to be over. Yes, I do think it's cute, but it's giving me the hardest time. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I'm finally finished. So this is my finished Glam Pikachu look. I actually think it's really cute. Like I said, this was it gave me so much trouble, and there's still some like imperfections. So if you guys can see that it's like a little bit like patchy and stuff like that, then that's why. I actually just made my brown liner black because I thought it like went with the look better and all that stuff. But yeah, I made these ears out of cardboard. I just like freehanded it, kind of like what I did with the Sully ears. I just freehanded it on paper and then traced it out, and this time I put them on bobby pins so they stay a little bit better. So yeah, this is my finished Pikachu makeup look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Like I said, this video gave me so much trouble. Like, I don't even want to think about it. I don't even want to talk about it. But yeah, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here, but it'll also be in the description box down below. If you want to watch season 1 through season 3 of my Spooktorial series, there will be linked down below as well. If you want to watch my previous videos in season 3, those will be linked down below as well. It'll also be in the eye. So yeah, that's all she wrote. If you guys recreate this look, please tag me on, you know, any of my social medias and all that good stuff. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Stay spooky.